makes me all excited. She keeps me begging for more. She's the one who deems me uninvited. Now it's over. Never leave me, and don't decide
A little bit. Alright, get Eddie out. Eddie out up there. Right behind that. You did? You did? A lot bigger when you're in the boat, ain't it? Come over here, Beth. Let's find us a good eddy. Do you think you can ferry across? So we can paddle up there? Blow that little drop and then ferry across this way. Go down, baby. There you go. Now turn up river, left boat angle, and just paddle good. Not across. Go up. There you go. There you go. There you go. There you go. Now we can get in this eddy and paddle all the way up. Woo, baby. Only thing you did wrong